Okay, it's Sam from Little Travel Restraints. I just want to show you something about having to put restraints in the third row, which is a common error that most people actually make. Okay, so with this I'm working on a Nissan Patrol Y62, and they only have the one anchor point in the third row, which is here. I had to establish it by getting an engineer's report for it also, and I had to put one in here and also in the center. But the common error that's actually made with these, and people don't realize this, and most SUVs, when they put children in the back seat, is the fact that they're using what they call cargo hold down points. They're either told by the car dealer or somebody of the family saying, oh yeah, that's an anchor point. These things are not anchorage points, they're cargo hold down point. They'll generally be the four, and you'll notice any anchor point is generally in the center of your headrest position. That's the location of it. But with the cargo hold down point, you'll see there's one, you'll see there's two, there's three, and the other one's on the opposite side there, four. So what people are doing, they're going from the top here and they're anchoring it down here, as my mate here actually did. I asked him to take it out before I got here because he'll get fined. See, New South Wales, you got in the wrong location here. That could be a $385 fine and 3 points off your license, but you really don't want to do that, especially coming towards Christmas. So when you've got an SUV, okay, and it's got no anchor points in the back, give us a call, give Littles a call, and we'll see what we can do by establishing some anchorage points in the back here. Some of the seats have been load tested, some SUVs haven't, so depending what you've got, give us a call and we'll let you know. But there is always a way of getting around it by putting some points in the back of your vehicle. I'm Sam, I hope this information has been helpful. We'll catch you on the next video.